Martin Reiser, World Bank Vice President for South Asia, stated on February 7th that India has the chance to become the first major economy to pursue a growth path with modest emissions. He highlighted India's potential due to technology and its service-oriented economy. Reiser emphasized the importance of making financing and technologies accessible for India to realize this opportunity. He expressed optimism, citing India's domestic innovation capacity and robust capital market, and stressed the need for partnership to achieve this goal.
I think India has an opportunity to be the first major economy in the world. Previous economies, when they grew very fast, had very high emissions, but because of technology and because also India's strong service orientation, India has this opportunity. But India has a lot of domestic innovation capacity, strong capital markets, so in partnership I'm optimistic that India will get there.
How do you think, sir, India is performing when it comes to climate change, and how do you see going forward what needs to be done?
I think India has an opportunity to be the first major economy in the world, large economy in the world, that follows a modest emission, high growth path. All previous economies, when they grew very fast, had very high emissions, but because of technology and because also India's strong service orientation, India has this opportunity. That's an opportunity we all need to help India realize. That has to do with making the financing available, making the technologies available, but India has a lot of domestic innovation capacity, strong capital markets, so in partnership I'm optimistic that India will get there.
What needs to be done? How do you see India, when it comes to India, what needs to be done to ensure that more climate friendly action should be taken? What needs to be done basically? Can you list out some of the steps that needs to be taken?
Look, there's a long, you asked for a short statement. There's a long list of things that can be done, but I'll elaborate on that in a different context. Thank you so much.
Sir, how can India and World Bank can collaborate, and how they are collaborating right now to address climate change and to work on a sustainable development?
We have committed globally to increase our climate finance to 45%, and we will do that in India, and we will also probably supersede that target in India. So we're strongly committed to do that.